Food makanan niya kurang birasa. Lebih ditingkatkan lagi untuk rasa masakannya. Best hotel. Always love this hotel. Clean room and nice staff. Best hotel. Feels like home, nice staff, absolutely will be back again while visiting Malang. Staycation tempat strategis, dekat ke area perbelahan dan wisata, kamar bersih dan nyaman, recommended. Very recommended. Stayed for 2 nights at Santika Premiere Malang. The room was very spacious and comfortable. They have a sofa bed. The bathroom was nice too, they have a bathtub. I got a room with pool view and a balcony. The staff were friendly and helpful. And I really love the breakfast here. So many choices of food and they were delicious. Would love to be back again. Would definitely recommend clean and pristine, wide range of breakfast food, overall worth the price. Exceptional best recommendation hotel. Amazing place. The hotel was really well furnished and the service staff were really friendly. Happy staycation at Santika Hotel Malang recommended. Nyaman bangay bersih dan mendapat tidur yang nyaman. Nice hotel for stay at Malang. Stayed 1 night at Malang. Staff very helpful. They offered breakfast box when we went to Bromo at midnight. Location is strategic. Nice hotel for staying at Malang. Stayed 1 night at Malang. Staff very helpful. They offered breakfast box when we went to Bromo at midnight. Location is strategic. Nice places. Nice and cozy places.